Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll show you how to fix your error of OBS failed to open NVENC code. Function not implemented. Please check your video drivers are up to date. It's a very simple fix. All you have to do is right click on your desktop on a start button, go to device manager. Check if you have any graphic driver update. Right click on your display adapter and hit on update driver. If you have the update, update it. Or if this trick doesn't work, just go onto your browser, go to the first link, download this application, just scroll down and download it, wait for it to download, then you have to install it. Just go through the installation process, install it and run the display driver on installer, then open it up. Now with this app you can fresh install your graphics driver. All you have to do is go to the device type, select your graphic card and your graphic card model, then hit on clean and do not restart. It will uninstall your graphic driver and then you can just go to the Nvidia's website and install your specific driver again, and it should fix your OBS error. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Peace.